Okay, today I will show you how to clean your PSP-3000/2000 systems. Here we go. You'll need some rubbing alcohol and some cotton balls. Okay, what you're going to do is unscrew the rubbing alcohol cap, common sense, take the cotton ball, put it right on, dip them in. Now you've got some rubbing alcohol. You're going to want to lightly rub in a diagonal fashion over the faceplate, because if you don't, it'll leave some crazy looking streaks. Now cotton balls are very delicate, so that's why we're going to use it. You want to make sure that you get everything fine. I mean, mine is partially already cleaned because I clean it a lot. You don't have to worry about getting any of the rubbing alcohol into the microphone or any of the power sockets and it ruining it, because the rubbing alcohol evaporates rather quickly, and also it cleans even better. As you can tell, this is a limited edition, and yeah. Then if you keep it out in the air for just a couple minutes or so, it should also dry off on its own also. And you need to just take the cotton ball and dry it off. Sometimes it's not a good idea because you'll get those streaks, and you just do it again and let it evaporate again. There you go. And pronto, you got yourself a clean PSP.